Okay, today I'm going to cycle around downtown Singapore. So my first cycling here in Singapore, in Esplanade, and I'm just walking towards where the bike is. And I haven't cycled for a very long time, and I heard it's quite scenic near Esplanade. So here we go, cycling around downtown Singapore. These are the pricing lah.
Yeah, 3 hours for 25.
So these are the pricing for the bicycle rate. What is scooter? Oh, and then they have what is a tandem?
Maybe for 2x.
Oh, so that's the rate. And that's for scooter.
1 hour.
So your location is right here, and we're gonna cycle to Gardens by the Bay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, like this route past Merlion.
And go to the MBS.
Basically around the riverfront, and then pass here, and then go to Gardens by the Bay.
Yeah, Gardens by the Bay here, then you can
and then
pass here to the Marina Barrage.
What is this bridge?
Marina Barrage.
Marina Barrage. Okay.
Yeah. So you can go
So here through the
This to East Coast Park, is it?
This coast part is called this way.
Right.
Yeah. So if you go there, slightly longer like.
Yeah.
So if you want, you can go here to the stadium side.
Oh, okay.
National Stadium.
Through the Kallang Basin.
There.
Wow, so far we're going.
Actually,
Literally, we're going so far.
No, we're not.
Oh, this is like an ideal route.
Yeah, she's helping us to close up the loop.
But we are just going.
Actually, usually when people take this route, how long do they take?
1 hour, 1.5 hours.
Oh, this takes 1.5 hours to loop around, and
so
this was the
if you're
ideal.
like stop somewhere to take a photo, not so fast. Yeah, it'll be 2 hours plus.
Cool. They also, this is phone holder. They also have phone holders.
Yes, please. Thank you.
No.
Yeah, chicha once. And just stretch it.
Yeah. So for this, we will run for $2.
Oh, there's a rental fee.
there's a rental fee
There's
for
a rental fee though. $2.
$2 for the rental. So the bit of a tip, next to the biking rental place, there is a washroom just beside it, which is very convenient. A little tip: go before you get your bicycle. Okay, we all have our bikes and we are ready to roll.
We just follow the river.
We're just following the river. And off we go, and I will be narrating from here because I don't want to talk and bike at the same time, which can be a bit dangerous. Now we are at Esplanade Theatres on the Bay. Esplanade Theatres on the Bay is a statutory board under the Ministry of Culture, Community and Youth, and a performing arts center. Named after the nearby Esplanade Park, it consists of a concert hall which seats about 1,600 and a theater with a capacity of about 2,000 for the performing arts. Now, many do not know that Singapore has a vibrant performing arts scene with ballets and opera and local productions of theater. So next time if you are in Singapore, I really encourage you to check out these scenes. Okay, we've arrived now at a very special structure here at Marina Bay. On your right hand side, they call it The Float at Marina Bay. It was built for a multi-purpose outdoor venue. The float was built in 2007, and the floating platform actually can bear up to 1,000 tons, equivalent to a weight of 9 1,000 people. And on your left hand side is a grandstand with a capacity of 27,000 people. Now alternatively, the National Day Parade are held at this very spot. Coming into our view now is the Helix Bridge, opened in April 2010. Pairs of color letters C, G, A, and T can be seen lit up at night, which represent cytosine, guanine, adenine, and thymine, the 4 bases of DNA. And yes, you guessed it correctly, the bridge is our DNA structure represented. First pit stop here, opposite Gardens by the Bay, and with the Singapore Flyer behind us. It's really scenic here. Now we go to the Kallang Basin, which I used to kayak. Now before we arrive at the Kallang Basin, we are now at Marina Bay Street Circuit. Now Marina Bay Street Circus is where the Formula One World Championship is held yearly and was the inaugural night race, and the first street circuit in Asia was held right here, and this circuit is especially designed for Formula One races. The original Singapore Grand Prix was held at Thomson Road from 1966 to 1973 before returning to the calendar in 2008 here in Marina Bay. Fernando Alonso won the inaugural Formula One edition of the renewed Grand Prix, driving for the Renault team amid controversial circumstances. It was emerged a year later that his teammate Nelson Piquet Jr. had been ordered to crash on purpose by senior team management to bring out the safety car at time chosen to benefit Alonso. So this is a second pit stop. This is called Kallang Riverside Park, and this is where you can kayak here, right? You can kayak here, and this is where they practice dragon boat and canoeing as well.
Our last activity was there.
Yeah. So
Let's take a photo.
let's take a photo. Okay.
I've been reminded by my friend is the golden hour. And this is really a very, very nice place for the sunset. Look at this. Incredible. And I never knew about this place. Looking directly at the Golden Mile, which I have vlogged before.
Yeah, continue.
And very, very scenic here. And here we are, this is the last stop before we go back to return our bikes. And this view is certainly worth cycling all the way from downtown for. Look at that. Isn't this spectacular and amazing? And just at the right timing, which is at dusk. Absolutely beautiful. We are here at Marina Barrage. This is the barge. This is a barge, I think, and that's the open sea, the Straits of Malacca. And you're looking back at the spectacular gardens by the bay, and also Marina Bay Sands Hotel. This is absolutely beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed me bringing you around cycling downtown Singapore, showing you a little bit of the highlights where, I mean, each view is just very, very beautiful. I think the people in Singapore are so fit. Everybody is out cycling, jogging, or brisk walking. Very fit they are. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. And here are more videos of Singapore if you like to watch them. Goodbye now from Marina Barrage here in Singapore. Bye!